Hello and very good evening to my dear students. Today we are with the quiz of class 8, lesson number 1 from history, how, when and where. This lesson deals with the important dates and colonial system of India. When Britishers came India and they tried to collect the dates, important dates of India for their strengthening power. Question number 1. Dash is about changes that occur over time. Geography, period, history, or switch. And options are here and you have to choose one of the right answer, and the right answer is history. Question number 2. What are the other sources of information available to historians other than official records? Official record means the records produced by government or offices. Other records may be diary of people, autobiographies, books written by leaders, all of these. You have to pick one of the right answer, and the right answer is all of these. These are the important and very useful information other than official records. Question number 3. Who asked Renal to produce maps of Hindustan? Robert Clive, Lord Irwin, Warren Hastings, all of these. You must have gone through the lesson and you must have read that Governor of Bengal, Robert Clive, asked Renal to produce map of Hindustan so that it would be easier for them to colonize the India. Question number 4. Name the third son of Queen Victoria of Britain who was given the title of Duke of Connaught. Prince Arthur, Prince Butler, Prince Charles, none of these. And you have to pick one of the right answer. And the right answer is Prince Arthur was given the title of Duke of Connaught. Question number 5. Who wrote the book History of British India? James Mill, Robert Clive, Warren Hastings, all of these. And you have to pick one of the right answer. And the right answer is James Mill. James Mill was a Scottish economist and political philosopher who published a book on Indian history named A History of British India in 1817. You must have to learn the date when this book was published, A History of British India. It was 1817. Let's move to question number 6. Who was the first Governor General of India? Robert Clive, Lord Canning, Warren Hastings, none of these. And you have to pick one of the right answer. And the right answer is Warren Hastings. He was first Governor General of India. Before him, there were governors of Bengal. Question number 7. When did Warren Hastings became Governor General of India? And options are 1763, 1773, 1783, none of these. And the right answer is 1773. Question number 8. Who was the last Viceroy of India? Options are Robert Clive, Lord Canning, Mountbatten, none of these. And the right answer is Mountbatten. Lord Mountbatten was the last Viceroy of India. After him, India got independent. Question number 9. Apart from British classification, historians usually divide Indian history into how many categories? Options are 3, 4, 5, 6. And you have to pick one of the right answer, and the right answer is 3. Ancient, medieval, and modern. Question number 10. When did Royal Indian Navy mutiny took place before independence? 1944, 1945, 1946, none of these. And you have to pick one of the right answer. And the right answer is 1946, when Royal Indian Navy mutiny took place because all the soldiers or sailors were not satisfied with the Britishers. They were not given good food, shelter, or other facilities which are basic necessities also. Question number 11. From the end of the 19th century, census operations were held every dash years, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to pick one of the right answer, and the right answer is 10. and this happens today also. Census operations are held every 10 years. According to Britishers, the rebels of the revolt of 1857 appear as brutal, vicious, greedy, all of these. And you have to pick one of the right answer, and the right answer is all of these. Means, according to Britishers, rebels of the revolt of 1857 were brutal, vicious, greedy, means not good at all. Question number 13. The National Archives of India came up in the 1944, 40, 1920, 1946, none of these. And you have to pick one of the right answer. And the right answer is 1920. When New Delhi was built, National Museum and National Archives both located close to viceroy places. You can come to know that what was the importance of National Archives, where the records of history of India were kept safely. Question number 14. Which of the following European power did not come to India ever? The British, the Portuguese, the Dutch, or the German? And you have to pick one of the right answer. And the right answer is the German. Germans never came India with the objective of colonizing. Question number 15. Name the plant given in the picture. This picture was mentioned or given in NCERT book lesson number 1. And you have to see the plant very minutely and name this plant. Banana plant, custard apple plant, custard lychee, none of these. You have to pick one. And this is the unique question adopted by our video. And the right answer is custard apple plant. I hope you must have enjoyed the quiz. This is the learning with enjoyment, and this is the learning with fun. So thank you and have a nice day. Take care.